Alright, what up guys? Let's get right into it. Download this extension. Go to the link I sent you. Go ahead and copy all of this. Left click here. Make sure you got Tampermonkey also installed. Might as well just pin that. Left click. Create new scripts. Go ahead and copy and paste. And right here is where you want to put in the link that you're trying to do a picture-in-picture. See here. Get that in. Paste right there. Place the WW with an asterisk. And another one right here. Go ahead and save that. Let's try this. Picture-in-picture. Go.
あれが魔物。